Hello. Hello students, welcome to our channel. Today we will learn digital skills for school project and assignment. This video is especially made for class 8 to 12 students. Let's begin. What are digital skills? Digital digital skills mean using computer, mobile and digital tool to study and create project. Example including making PPT, writing assignment in Google Doc, and creating quiz using Google Form and or using Excel or using Word document, etc. Why digital skills are important? Digital skills are important because they help you create neat project, save time, improve creativity, and prepare you for future studies and career. What is PPT? PPT means PowerPoint presentation. It is a set of slides where you can explain topic using short points, heading and images. Teachers prefer PPT projects because they are easy to understand. Steps to create PPT. What are the steps to create PPTs? The first step, to choose topic. Then open PowerPoint presentation or Google slide. First add title and content and insert images, and then after save and submit. These are the 5 steps we have used whenever we create any PowerPoint presentation or PPT. Tips for good school PPT or project assignment. So for a good school PPT, power presentation or assignment, avoid long paragraph. Use bullet points and images. Use big and clear font and put only one idea on each slide. So that you can, so आप देख सकते हैं, you can also see this key in this video. I hope I have used PowerPoint presentation PPT to explain these things to you. So आपने देखा कि I have only used 4 to 5 text maximum in each PPT. So make sure you have used less text. Add images. In this I do not use any images, but you can also use images. Use big font side and explain one point at one slide. Tools for assignment. So students can use free digital tools like Google Doc for writing assignment, Google Slide for presentation, and Google Forms for quiz or feedback. Or you can also use Microsoft Doc for writing, document writing, PowerPoint presentation tool for PPT. Microsoft Form is also available for quiz survey, but I suggest you can use Google Form. It is easy and simple. So in my channel you can also find one tutorial how to use Google Forms to create quiz, survey and assignment forms. So you can also refer previous video for this also. So whenever you use any digital tool, so make sure you can also follow digital safety tips. Okay, while using digital tools, always stay safe. Never share password. Use trusted websites only and take help for teachers or parents when needed. Needed. Conclusion. Overall conclusion. What we have learned about this. To conclude, digital skills make learning easy, fun and smart. Using technologies wisely, like share and subscribe, like wisely. So it is help to present your work in more simple way. You can easily share your work to any other persons. Okay. So thank you for learn or learn other information regarding PowerPoint presentation, Excel, or any other tools. So please make sure subscribe our channel. So whenever I can create new video tutorial regarding digital tools and other topics related to students or teachers or any other persons. So you can receive notification frequently. So thanks for watching.